In a small, quiet village surrounded by rolling hills and green fields, lived a young boy named Luka. He lived in a humble cottage with his grandmother, an elderly woman full of wisdom and love. Luka's grandmother, a gentle soul, had raised him since he was a baby. Though life was hard, their love for each other kept them happy. Every morning, they would wake up early to tend to the small garden outside their home, growing vegetables and herbs to sell in the village market. One day, Luka decided to go to the village market to sell the vegetables they had grown. The air was fresh and cool, and the sounds of the village filled the air. As he walked through the dusty streets, he noticed how different the world was beyond the comfort of his grandmother's home. Despite their hard work, Luka and his grandmother had very little. The money they earned from selling vegetables barely covered their basic needs. Luka often wondered if things would ever get better. One afternoon, as Luka was wandering near the edge of the village, he stumbled upon something unusual. Hidden beneath an old oak tree, he found a small, weathered box. His heart raced with excitement as he wondered what treasures might lie inside. When Luka opened the box, he discovered an old, sparkling stone. It was unlike anything he had ever seen, glowing softly with an otherworldly light. Luka knew at that moment that this was a sign that change was coming. With the glowing stone in hand, Luka rushed home to show his grandmother. He couldn't wait to tell her about the incredible discovery, hoping it would bring them the change they so desperately needed. His grandmother smiled when she saw the stone. She explained that it wasn't just a treasure, it was a symbol of hope. She had always told Luka that even in the darkest times, something good could be found if he looked hard enough. The stone, she said, represented their perseverance and love. From that day on, things began to change. The village, though still poor, seemed brighter somehow. People began to notice the stone's glow and the kindness Luka and his grandmother shared with everyone. They didn't need much, just each other and a little bit of hope. And so, Luka and his grandmother continued to live their simple life, with love, hope, and the glowing stone as a reminder that even the smallest of discoveries could bring about the greatest of changes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget subscribe, like and share.